Hey everybody, it's Neil. Sorry about the bad lighting. I'm in a hallway here because I want to show you this device that I have here. This here is an adjustable door lock, so you can kind of lock any inward pulling door with this particular device here. I'll show you guys a little bit. Here's the kind of manual of it. If you need it, you can probably pause it and zoom in, but I'll just show you all how it works briefly here. So you have these three pieces to it. You have this, this, and this. So like right now, there's no lock on this door. It's whatever, it'll just open, sort of, but there's just a closure on it. But here, if you put this into the little jam piece, you see now, it's just sticking out there, and I have this there, but then what you can do is you can put this on there as well, oops, this, and I have it stuck into the door lock piece, and then I tighten this up on here, and check this out. So I don't know how tight, I should have planned a little bit, but now, okay, so now it's screwed on there, and now, look, I can't open the door. It's locked. It's locked from that, and there's really no way to open it until you probably can just loosen this. You don't have to take it all the way off, but I'll take it all the way off just to show you guys it. So, see, and then that's it. So this little clip here went into the little latch part there. So, see, that little part goes into the latch part there, then this goes over it and keeps the door from opening. So super cool little device, simple to use, simple concept, but totally handy if you need to keep a door kept closed. Like if you have a kid or somebody who likes to open the doors who shouldn't be, it's got a little bit of an extra security here. Like this one here, the handle moves super easy for the dogs, and so I'd have to be able to just open it. I don't want the dogs getting into certain places. You can use this to do that. So it works on any inward facing door. You put it on your bedroom door if you don't have a lock on it and you want to keep people out or whatever. So thumbs up, I like it.